beginning of my new doll. Hey. Blue on the top, or yeah, I think I like this on the top actually. Look it. Let's run it. I'll put this bad boy right down here. Okay. Okay, let's work together. Okay. Do you see a doll or no? Just look. You guys, okay, this is paper, cardboard, glued together. That's wire that I cut from there and put around. This is 2 tiny itty bitty magnets. I'm about to put it under here, and I'm about to have a purse. Look at my little buddy. Let me have your drink. I know my nails are a mess, guys. That's how I live. Oh my gosh. You are the ugliest little cutie that I've ever seen in my life. What should I name you? Here's the thing. I have no idea what it's gonna look like when I'm done. I have no goal. My goal is to make a doll. And I just need a dollop. For my little doll. It's all because I wonder, do you stand? Golly gummers, baby girl.